Hey everybody, me and my friend Sarah is drinking. Yeah, we are playing this game. It's just a card game called Over and Under, where you put them like this. And Sarah will say if she thinks it's over or under, and when I just put a card down like this, if it's then is under and she said over, then I'll count how many cards there is. Then she should drink as many cards there is. It's actually quite a fun. I'm really good at it, so Sarah is just she can feel it now a little. Not much, but she can feel it. And I think it's fun.
Yeah, hey guys. As Luna said, we are playing this game, and it is really funny. And actually, I'm a little bit tired, but I try to keep up, and I can feel a little bit right now. But when we start to get really drunk, we will put a new video in, and let's see how that goes because we actually don't know how it will be. So
Yeah, and then we'll go out and jump.
Go and jump on the trampoline.
Yeah.
So we have done that before when we were drunk, and well, that was pretty fun actually.
Yeah.
So you guys, you should actually watch this, and yeah, we will put a new video in when we start to get really drunk. So I hope you keep up, and hope you guys are doing great. So we see you later when we really drunk, or at least a little bit drunk. So see you guys. Bye.